During foreplay, women most of the time they concentrate on the joystick and the chest of the man and the sucking of the tongue, ignoring other parts of the body like they don't have any feelings. So today I'm here, I give you the juicy parts or the juicy ways that you can play with your tongue to raise the feelings of your man. Your girl here, Mani Helen. Thank you for watching my videos, and let me know on the comment sections on what you need me to tackle the next video. So one of the part is the ear part. I mean this one. The ear is the most sensitive part of the body. If you play with this ear, the ear of your man, using only your tongue, just use the tip of your tongue, you move it around here at the earlobe, around here, from the base of the ear, then upwards, then you take the tip of the tongue, you try like you are inserting it in the hole of the ear. While you're doing that, unapuliza hewa, you pressurize it, so the warmth of that hair, the moisture of that hair, it will rise the sensation of your man. The other part is the fingers of your man. In between here, there are some feelings. So take your tongue and move it in between here, here. After done, then you kiss him. I tell you, he will feel those feelings. The feelings will rise. This part is so soft and it has some feelings. The other part is the neck. Just bend his neck to stretch a little bit. Then take the tip of your tongue, you move it starting from the base of the ear downwards to the stretching part of the neck. Then you finish to the nipples of his chest. Then from the nipples upwards to the neck to the base of the hair. Ukiendelea kufanya hivyo, unajifanya ni kama unampulizia hewa. So kale kahewa kenye unampulizia kana kuanga na kajoto fulani. So kale kajoto kakimuhit tu hivyo, yani feelings zinaenda, akili inaenda kwingine. So this part of your man has some feelings. Play with the chest. From the chest you go up to the neck. From the neck down to the chest. Play with the nipples. He will feel it. Another part, use the under or the under of your tongue. The under part of your tongue. This one. Obvious, the upper side of your tongue is somehow rough. So use the under part of it. This one. So this part is so soft. It has so juicy and it has some silky texture. So you use that part, moving it around the G-spots of your man. So you as a woman, you know where the G-spot of your man is. So use the under part of your tongue and move it around the G-spots of your man. If you sense that the feelings has started rising, then you immediately change. to the rough part, the upper part. Because if you use the upper side for a long time, the other chest spot will become so numb. So immediately you sense that the feelings has started rising, you immediately change to the rough side. You do it with the rough side, then the lower side, rough side, the softer side. That one will make your man feel so good, feel so sweet. The feelings will go high, high, high and higher. Another part is the taps of your man. The taps, these are the most underrated part of the man. We only concentrate on the joystick, leaving the other parts. So use your tongue, on the tip of your tongue. You move it slowly and softly from the knees. You start from the knees upwards to the joystick, then downwards to the knees, upwards to the joystick. Then concentrate on the areas close to the joystick. The skin close to the joystick is so sensitive. So concentrate on that area. You kiss him. You massage him using your tongue. I tell you, he will speak in tongues without the Holy Spirit. So play with those areas and the tummy part of your man. When I say the tummy, it's the area in between the umbilical cord and the joystick. There is a V shape, like a V shape in between the umbilical cord and the joystick. This V shape has some hair. So you move your tongue on that shape, on that V shape. That V shape has some hair. Two lips, this one and this one. Take some strands of the hair on that V shape. Take some strands, then pull them, not in a manner that it will pain him. Just gently take some strands in between your lips, then pull them. Pulling these strands of the hair, it will activate the nerves, sending the feelings to the whole part of the body. So by pulling these strands, it will make him to feel some little pain. So this little pain he will feel, it will send the joint of electricity to the lower parts of the abdominal parts, to the lower of his abdominal parts, and automatically Mr. will erect. The joystick will erect. The Mr. Right will erect, ready for anything, by force, by fire. So you can see, without playing with that Mr. Right, without even sucking the tongues, you've used the other parts to arouse the sensation of your man. Just play with those parts. If you play with them in a wise way, in a good way, then everything will go well. Thank you for watching. I'm happy for your support. May God bless you. In case you've not subscribed, please subscribe and share the video on the bell. In any time I will upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for your support. Much love. Mwah.